This morning he's only sleeping, and it's 3 layer of bed sheet cover because he's cold, and it's already the lowest the lowest in the aircon number, so that it's hot now. I could feel the hot here, so yeah, I think it's the effect now on the operation, because the healing process, so because he's been in pain now, so the anesthesia is totally gone, and it started to healing on his stomach, because his stomach now is started, I could hear the sounds, so he's been sleeping since this morning. After that, after he walked from there over here, so where he pours himself to go to the bathroom. Yeah, so that's the update. So thank you everyone. So hopefully we could, yesterday the doctor said that we could be out in 2 to 3 days, but they do more tests after the incident this morning, early in the morning around 3 something. So they do more tests on laboratory to check his blood electrolyte something, and he's still in oxygen because his oxygen level is so slow, so very low his oxygen level.